Keeping your home and family safe is a top priority, and that's why having a reliable home security system is essential. In this video, we'll count down the top 5 best home security systems on the market so you can find the perfect one for your needs. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Vivint Smart Home. Elevate your home security with the sophisticated Vivint Smart Home System, a comprehensive solution delivering 24/7 monitoring and seamless control over every facet of your home. Gain mastery over door locks, cameras, thermostats, and lights, with the added convenience of monitoring your vehicles on the move. This top-tier system boasts swift emergency response times and offers intuitive control options, a vibrant 7-inch touchscreen video panel, a user-friendly mobile app, or the convenience of Alexa and Google Assistant voice commands. Tailored for discerning homeowners seeking professional monitoring without the hassle of installation, Vivint Smart Home takes care of every component through expert installation. The company's commitment extends to stellar telephone and in-home technical support. Secure your sanctuary effortlessly with Vivint Smart Home. Number 2. ADT Command. Elevating the bar in home security, the ADT Command, despite its premium price tag, clinches our coveted Editor's Choice Award. Renowned for its impeccable white-glove customer service, this system stands out with an extensive array of security and home automation components, coupled with stellar mobile and web applications. ADT's in-house cameras, doorbells, and sensors are complemented by the flexibility to integrate third-party Z-Wave devices, offering a holistic control experience through Alexa and Google Assistant commands. Tailored for homeowners seeking a comprehensive solution, the ADT Command seamlessly combines professional installation and monitoring, presenting a soup-to-nuts security system. Its compatibility with a diverse range of security and smart home devices underscores its versatility, though the luxury of this protection comes at a premium. Number 3. SimpliSafe Home Security System. SimpliSafe Home Security System secures its spot as a top choice thanks to its user-friendly design, cost-effectiveness, and adaptable configuration and monitoring choices. A beacon in the realm of DIY home security, SimpliSafe excels by offering pre-configured packages tailored for homes of varying sizes, accompanied by a plethora of budget-friendly components for those opting for a do-it-yourself approach. Installation is a breeze, and the system operates seamlessly, delivering on its promises. Notably, professional monitoring is available at a reasonable cost, providing an additional layer of security if desired. For those keen on substantial savings in both home security components and monitoring expenses, SimpliSafe emerges as the frontrunner. Number 4. Ring Alarm Pro. Enter the realm of seamless security and enhanced connectivity with the Ring Alarm Pro, a dual-purpose DIY home security system and Wi-Fi 6 mesh router. Noteworthy for its effortless setup, budget-friendly monitoring options, and the ability to extend Wi-Fi 6 coverage throughout your home, the Ring Alarm Pro stands as a multifaceted solution. Equipped with an auxiliary battery ensuring 24 hours of uninterrupted functionality, and a cellular radio for continuous internet connectivity during power outages, it offers a robust defense. Ideal for those seeking a smart home security system upgrade, coupled with the latest in Wi-Fi technology, the Ring Alarm Pro seamlessly integrates both functions. Tailor this versatile system with an array of sensors and enjoy compatibility with Ring's video doorbells, cameras, and lighting devices. Number 5. Wyze Home Monitoring. The Wyze Home Monitoring System emerges as the epitome of budget-friendly DIY security. Remarkably, the hardware becomes a cost-free asset when subscribing to the 1-year professional monitoring plan. This fully customizable system equips your home with a comprehensive suite of protective elements encompassing entry and motion sensors, climate sensors, cameras, and a keypad. Seamlessly integrating with Wyze's expansive range of smart devices, including cameras, doorbells, smart plugs, and locks, it ensures a cohesive and connected security ecosystem. Designed with budget-conscious homeowners in mind, the Wyze Home Monitoring System not only boasts a rock-bottom price, but also extends its affordability to each component. The installation process is a breeze, aligning with the DIY ethos, while offering the flexibility of self-monitoring or the choice to opt for professional protection. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily helpful videos. Check the description for more info and prices. Leave a comment for assistance. Enjoy life with our amazing products. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.